my apartment. This is the front door we just came in. I do keep track of trash days. There's quite a few. And then right next to the door, as you come in, we do have this closet right here. Right now, it currently is just holding all of our shoes. And when I say our, Cameron has like 2 shelves in there. You know. Right here is our washer, our power box, a little light. The washer's pretty tiny, but it is nice. Right next to that is our kitchenette. So I have a little sink, the 2-burner stove that is ridiculously powerful. And then underneath, I do have quite a bit of storage. It's just enough for everything we have going on. And then up top, I can only keep small things, so I really don't have much up here. And I do have my cutting board, cooking utensils. Over in the corner is a little bit more storage for the kitchen. There is dishes in here, some food. I did find this rice cooker on Amazon. It was about $35, but the microwave and the fridge comes with the apartment. We need to go grocery shopping, so don't pay attention to how much is not in here. Cameron bought cheese instead of butter on accident. But in between the kitchen and the fridge is the bathroom. So right here is just the toilet. There is a little bit of storage up top. It looks like a mess because there's a lot of little things. It took me a minute to understand how to work my toilet. But something that's really cool, when you flush the toilet, water comes down from the top first before filling the bottom. So you wash your hands and recycle the water, which is really neat to me. Right over here is the shower room. So it's in a room that you just step up into from the toilet room. In some apartments, they'll usually be separate, but ours is together like this. Yeah, so that controls all of the water throughout this entire room. You can fill the bath. There is a mirror in here, but I look crazy right now. So up here is, I guess, what you would call our dryer, which is exciting for me. This is the control panel for that fan up there. I honestly haven't taken the time to read it for real, but I think this is hot air and this is cold air. I know that this is the timer. So I've been able to control how long it runs. Let's move on to the main living space. So right in here is where we spend all of our time. I actually really love that it has a door, but that's the whole space. A little look around. So this couch we found on Amazon. It was about $90. It's for 2 people. And this was a beanbag off Amazon. It's about $40. Before we left, I did print off some pictures of family and friends and my cats. I just figured it might help with some homesickness a little. While I was recording, Ramon was bothering me falling, so I fixed him. Yeah, I just opened that window for the first time today. It was really exciting. That's the door to outside / window. I am drying clothes. Over here in the corner, this is our doorbell. When people come to our door, I can see them out there and I can speak to them, but they can't see me. So that's convenient. I love it. This is the heater / air conditioning unit. And then this is the view when you turn around. So there's the hallway I just came through and just the rest of the room that I haven't shown you yet. So the TV stand, and this table come with the apartment, but they're bolted in place so you can't rearrange. I'm a little salty. Here's the closets. There are 2 of them. There's some storage up top, a little bar. but most of our clothes are on the floor because we don't have like shelves or anything in there. Here's the main storage of the house. We have a lot of just luggage and coats, some hooks that I didn't know what they actually are. And thank you, Aunt Jamesine, for letting me use one of your luggage. I'm really sorry that my dirty clothes are in it right now. But here we're going up to the bedroom. So we actually found a type of mattress that we're used to. It ended up being like $150 off Amazon, but we accidentally bought this futon thinking it was more mattressy like. It didn't work out. There is a bit of storage in the bedroom. We're not really utilizing it because we weren't sure if we wanted to, but it does have a nice amount of space. There's the window that's in there. I almost fell off my bedroom because our TV just plays commercials when you're not using it. It scared me. But yeah, so that is our entire little Japanese apartment. I think it's adorable, and honestly, I can't wait to record a few more videos so that my family and friends can keep up with what me and Cameron are doing here. Until then, thanks guys!